we are saved. Now walking too fast.
Give us a chance.
Another challenge you. Another challenge
We will build affordable health care.
Challenge you. Another challenge you.
Exactly.
I tire.
Why are you barricading the road? Taxi. They make us have the voice.
Among us are leaders.
We are also politicians.
We are here in peace.
We are politicians. Your job depends on us.
I implore you to just exercise it and let us get in touch with them then whoever is going to address you will come and meet you.
Where
Sorry? Majority leader is coming.
Majority leader, we want to The person standing before you this morning was once the president and commander-in-chief of all Aluta forces, Lagos State Student Union government. Years back.
Sir, please hold on. Why are we being addressed here? Why we use our taxes to pay for the floor?
Listen, madam.
No, we need to have a answer.
I want to tell you that I have been an activist all my life.
No,
yes,
no,
you know, sir.
Why are we addressed? Why are we being addressed here?
we voted you in. You should be allowed to talk to our people. I want to talk to my House of Representatives.
We cannot be
We all have our business. We all have our business. We all have our business.
During the election, we will not talk like this. During the election, we will not talk like this. We can better make it when we hear ourselves out. Yes. You have your right of audience, you have your right of expression.
Yes.
The same way I have right of audience, I have right of expression.
Yes.
You voted for us, there's no doubt about that.
Yes.
But if you have anything to charge, we can only hear you out when you talk. And you can only hear us when you talk. You did not leave your home to fight here.
No.
So we should be able to talk. Okay. You can say whatever you like is your right.
Yes.
The point I'm making is this. I just first want you to know that I feel your pains, I feel your passion, and I know what you are talking about. Because I have been on this divide. Right. Now the point I'm trying to make is this. I was coming, I got here. The House of Assembly is on recess. I am the majority of the House of Assembly. You may write to the House of Assembly. You may write to the Speaker. If the House is in session, the majority leader of the House of Assembly, I am Agumi Adias, will be the majority leader of Lagos State House of Assembly. The majority leader of the House of Assembly or the Deputy Speaker of the House of Assembly will stand in for the Speaker when he's not around. Now there are usually annual legislative conferences to be attended. The annual legislative conferences, the Speaker is not presently in the country. with some other members of the House of Assembly. I just came in also from Abuja because of some of the conferences going on there. So the speaker is not currently around, number one. Number two, you will see that renovation is taking place here. If you look at it, there is a kind of badge down there. That is where you have the foyer where House of Assembly address people. Now,
sorry, sir, to interject. The woman that came for breast awareness, they allowed them in. Are we hooligans? Are we miscreants? Why are you barricading us? Why are you barricading us? No, you should not have done us here. You should have done us there.
That's the problem we have. Listen, you have started very well. You don't truncate it. Let's hear ourselves. If you want to be addressed there, you'll be addressed there. Yes. It's a simple thing.
That's our demand.
That's our demand.
We are
not animals. We are not prisoners. We have to be addressed in front of the House of Assembly. So that's why we are here.
In any argument, there are premises and their body and their conclusion.
Right.
You don't start with the conclusion, start with premises. Yes. I met you, I don't even know who you are. Yes. I came there to talk to you.
Right.
And you hear me out. Yes. Your demands are your demands that you will stay after if your demands are things that are tenable and tenable, of course you will make this House of Assembly. These are the people you voted for. Everything is not done by not just saying and shouting on ourselves. So the point is this: the security men you will appreciate. The security men are doing what they are asked to do. Yes. So maintain security. And if they don't know people's identity, they will definitely want to protect life and property. Right. Because if anything goes on, they are the one that will charge. Okay. Don't forget that the House of Assembly is annexed even also to the governor's office. Okay. So if they have allowed some people down there to talk, and you say you also want, well, it depends on what we are talking about. So you have come to protest, and to that extent, we will be able to sort out with the security men. What we are talking about is peaceful conduct. And you have said what I meant is that Nigerian youths are not thugs.
You have to remove this barricade first. We paid for this road. You cannot address us in this place. We sent you a letter prior to this event, and we refuse to be addressed like this.
We put it there is a rhetoric. It's a fact that is known. And you put us there, that's why I'm here. Yes. And that's why we're all here. You don't put the barricade, you don't listen. Will you listen, please? Will you listen? Magda, you are not the only person here. Please listen. You are not the only person here. Let us listen, please. Great Nigerian youth. Great Nigerian youth. Great Nigerian youth. This is a form of listening. We don't want restriction. We want restriction. I came here, you talk about restriction. Yes. I am not only, I have my own job to do. I have my own job to do. I have a legislator. The police, you have your jobs. You have your job to come here. The police is doing his job by maintaining security. Yes, we know. The police put it here, I cannot come to remove it. Okay. You speak. Are you the only person here? You come here to make trouble. But you saw me, I spoke with you. I went back to the security to speak with them. What am I going to do with them? let's take this in the man. We have not had cause to fight before we came here, and we should be able to sort things out. Your grievance is not against the House of Assembly. Your grievance is against the system.
Yes.
And we are part of the system. You are part of the system.
Yes.
We have to all sit down to address this thing together. That's what we are saying.
Okay, so let's go and sit down.
So now you sit down. I have addressed.
One house.
I tell the head of security. Okay. And after addressing, actually the points they have made is very germane. But we have said that immediately after this one, they can also, we have different protesters, different days.
Yes.
If you are not a security person, you don't know security challenges. Yes. But what we have said is that those who are here presently with us are Nigerian youths, they are identifiable, and they have a cause to do. Yes. This is not the usual practice. Yes. So if it is done today, it's not done because of you. It's done because of some other security alert that has been programmed. But if we don't play into that trap, then we can come in. We'll address where you want us to address you. You make your point and you go.
Yes.
Even as I was saying, even as a student union president, I don't joke with security advice at times. What I'll just tell you is, please, some of you will still be on this divide later. Yes. Sometimes very soon. Yeah, you will now understand. Yeah, to listen. You now understand how it is. You become wiser and you understand the system more. What we are saying that you have fundamental issues. You are
already wise. We are voting them out.
You have damage issues. You have damage issues. Agidi will not go. So you want Agidi. So the one Agidi or you will not have put Agidi. So the anger in you will go down. So what we have resolved is that you will be allowed to make your point in front of the House of Assembly. That will be removed. But please, I beg of you. You have said it, you have stated it. When you are doing legitimate protest, don't forget that people do it for different reasons. Yes. And there are people who are not part of your protest, who did not live with you, who will mingle with you, and they will use that as an asset. But whatever happens, we are telling you. Yes, we are telling you, but everybody cannot identify who came with you. So what I'm trying to say is that please, when you are allowed to move in, be in charge of your protest. Be in charge of your protest. No problem. God be with you. Thank you very much.
Another challenge to you. Wait, hold on. Easy.